Hello watcher and subscriber. Today we start with the abstract keyword in Java, and if you want the notification of my coming tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, then also you subscribe my channel. So here we start with the tutorial, and here this is the key information in terms of abstract keyword. The abstract keyword is used to achieve the abstraction in the Java. The role of abstract class is contained abstract method as well as non-abstract method. The important thing is that it doesn't have the implementation, is known as abstract method. It means if you use the abstract keyword in the method, it takes only declaration part, doesn't create the coding. Here the important thing is we cannot declare the abstract method in non-abstract class. Okay, if you use the abstract method, you must have the abstract class in the program. So this is the example. Abstract class start with the abstract keyword, and this is the class name, and here you can use the abstract method as well as non-abstract method, and here you can do the declaration only. We cannot put inside the code. Okay, so in abstract class we can do only declaration of method if the method is abstract. If it is non-abstract method, you can put the coding, but in abstract method you have to do only declaration part. When we use abstract class, for example, in abstract class you want some abstract method and later on you want to use in derived class, then in that case we refer the abstract class in the program. So here some important rules are there that we can't do in the abstract class. First one is abstract keyword cannot be used with variable and constructor. If the class is abstract, it cannot be instantiated. It means we cannot create the object of abstract class. If method is abstract, it doesn't contain the body that we already discussed. We cannot declare the abstract method as private because the abstract method we have to use in the derived class. If you use a private access specifier, it means that your method is well protected. So that's why we cannot declare abstract method as private. We cannot declare abstract method as a static also. The abstract method can be synchronized. We cannot use the abstract keyword with the final keyword. What we can do in abstract keyword can only be used with class and method. The abstract class can contain constructor and static methods. If a class extends abstract class, it must also implement at least one abstract method. Means if you are using derived class, in that derived class which is taking data from the base class, so in that derived class you have to use at least one, you have to implement at least one abstract method. The abstract class can contain overloading concept also, that is very common in the abstract class. We can declare the local inner class as abstract. We can declare the abstract method with the throws class. So these all points are very important. The abstract class containing method, so this program we will see now, this is the class A having the abstract method, so we can do only declaration. If you want to put coding, you have to take the derived class B and inside it you have to redefine and then you put the coding whichever you want. In terms of main method, you have to create object of only B because abstract class doesn't have the object, so you have to create object of B, and because of that you can get the output from abstract method, that is output from X method, that is A. So now friend, we go in the Eclipse and there we will take the example of abstract method. So here friend, I am taking one class, so it is my abstract class, so I use abstract keyword. So my class is A, and here we have to use abstract method, and our method is suppose X. So this is my abstract method, and here you have to take one more class, for this overriding this method. So our class is, here our class is B. Okay, and here once you declare the B extends A, then you have to implement at least one method. That's why here the error is coming. So we have to write void x. Now this error is gone from here, and here we are taking one output statement. Suppose I am writing message A. So here our code is completed, and you have to create the object of class B. So here I have created the object, and there you write the b.x, that is our method, and straight away I run the program because I explained in presentation also. And output A is coming, and here suppose I take one more method, abstract void y. Then what happened, that second method you have to use it here. Okay, so here I just copy that code, and here you have to use it y. So whenever you use the abstract method, friend, you have to use it in the derived class. So here we are implementing this method, that is x and y. Then how you run that? You write simply b.y. So in this way you can take any number of method, and that particular method you have to use it in the derived class. Okay, that method must be implemented in the derived class. So here this is the concept of abstract class. So in the abstract class we do the declaration in the abstract class, and then we implement this method in the next derived class. And at the creation of object, we create the object of derived, because we cannot create the object of abstract class. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.